else is easy.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hey,
so
bro, actually, if you see, spherical is cylindrical is easy, bro, but
cylindrical is
spherical is
easy.
not. Cylindrical is easy.
So what I thought was that I think spherical program is big, no?
Spherical program is big, bro. Yeah, actually, like too
So
huge it is.
so what I think the logic is that they'll give either manual or code for spherical.
Hmm.
Last time also I
Uh,
think something like that. Like that only they did. No.
yeah, because you know what I got was
Huh.
one harmonic,
Huh.
one Cauchy integral,
Huh.
no, not Cauchy integral. This Minne-Thompson method,
Huh.
What
Minne-Thompson
is
method
that?
for program and solving.
Hmm.
One spherical, one not spherical, the cylindrical part for 10
Exactly.
marker.
Hey,
And then
cylindrical
one
for 10
harmonic.
marker.
Yeah, 5 marks
Oh.
writing program.
Oh, then I think spherical they
Uh,
might give options. Cylindrical maybe because cylindrical program is small.
yeah,
So cylindrical they'll give both. Spherical because program is big, they'll give even for fields sub field also there is that only integral domain and all. Remember
yeah.
all the
The thing
sub-question
is, yeah.
C only was the option.
Um,
So I think they'll give that only, bro. So that
I thought of keeping cylindrical actually.
no manual part you read everything and go. Program maybe you
Oh
can
man,
skip
yeah, correct.
spherical.
Manual part and reading, no problem.
Yeah, yeah.
Program in case program in case if you don't get in case if you don't learn now also
Mm.
there's some the
Something
six
you can
chapters
do.
you can do, you can finish it off. Yeah,
Something they'll at least give
and
like
it's
one
not
mark,
that
2 mark.
difficult also. Yeah, it's not that difficult also. I figured out
Mm.
the logic there, but it's not that difficult.
Then do off, bro. Best.
Uh, like almost all the codes I wrote it on my own only for this practice and all. I didn't use the record code only.
Mm. Okay. Damn, bro.
Start Madu, bro.
I'll start.
Yeah, bro. Yeah,
Okay.
bro.
So
I
in this
didn't use it.
Bernoulli and binomial, the only thing they'll ask is to check for parameter. You have a 1 second. Parameter P. Correct. So your hypothesis will
Bro,
usually
bro,
be.
bro. Sorry,
Huh?
bro. Sorry to interrupt. Sorry
Hmm.
to interrupt. Now, just if you know one problem, all the others are easy.
Yeah, bro.
Then
Just
fine, bro. Just teach one like which is tough over here, then teach that one. So that we can know when we solve it, will be easy.
I'll do one thing. I'll do one Bernoulli and one binomial.
Clear, bro. Okay.
Okay, so I'll take first one only. So first one, they say construct MP test size 0.01, where alpha is first one. Alpha equals 0.01. Right,
Hey,
they
what is
said,
empty test? That most powerful test, that one
huh,
only.
yes, yes.
Oh.
I'll explain. Okay, so P equals 0.32, H1, P equals 0.68. Basically, what you have to do, you have to, 1 second. You have to first define your test statistic. No, for this. So for MP test for Bernoulli, your test statistics is phi of x equals 1 if summation xi greater than c. So here, oh wait, before you define test statistic, you should first check if h1
Your
is
voice is
greater than
still
h0.
breaking.
My voice is breaking.
No, wait, it's
Manoj,
fine. Continue.
It's fine,
okay.
bro.
Okay, first before you define a test statistic, first you have to see which is greater. Is H1 greater than H0 or H0 is greater than H1? Here clearly H1 is greater than H0. No. So on basis of that, you have to write your test statistic. What is the test statistic? Phi of x equals 1 if summation xi greater than c. Gamma if summation xi equal to c. 0 if summation xi is less than c. Okay. Now, what is the logic behind this? Is that if you, I don't know, you guys definitely don't remember, but if you plot your binomials PMF on a graph, you will get what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, these are your what is it? These values. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, Bernoulli binomial and all is not continuous, right? So basically, it will be the x values will be like this. Now, but you have to define the rejection region. No. So what a rejection region usually will be is that let us say your c is equal to 3. Okay. So if your value is 4 or 5 or any region greater than this, greater than C, you reject H naught. Okay. If it is less than C, if it's less than C, it is 2, 1, 0, you do not reject H naught. Now, because there's a discontinuity in a graph, in your normal, if you draw an alpha, here it is acceptance region, this is rejection region. No. But so there is a continuity. There is no break in the graph. There's no break in the line here or here. But here, there's clearly a break if you look at the acceptance and rejection region. Now, to fill in that spot is why we have something known as a gamma here. Okay, that's the whole logic. This area becomes gamma. You don't have to this and all. You don't have to learn at all. Chuma, I'm explaining because I hope it'll be easy to understand what is written in this test function. Okay, basically this is how you read a test statistic. Test statistic usually you'll have a 1 and a 0. 1 denotes where you have to reject H naught. 0 denotes do not reject H naught. This you guys understood? What is 0 and 1?
Here.
Yes.
Okay. So look at your test statistic. It says summation xi, if it's greater than C, y, again, what did I say? You have to look at your alternate hypothesis. Here, alternate hypothesis is greater than. So naturally, your test statistics is reject H naught if it is greater than C. If it is the other way around, if we had H1, H naught greater than H1, here what will happen? It will be less than C. Here it will be greater than C. Understood? It here the test statistic depends on your again on your alternate hypothesis. Okay, that doubt clear? Hello.
Got it. Got it.
Okay. Now if you look,
There are only
uh,
4 questions then.
yeah. So now basically you have to do something known as what size condition. What is size condition? Chumma, nothing. Okay, you take this test statistic. Huh?
Nothing. Nothing.
Okay. And what you do, you multiply this one with the probability of this. Okay. Let me use some other coloring. Probability of this. Then you multiply this with the probability of this. Then you multiply this with the probability of that is the test statistic. So what you'll get? You'll get 1 into, so your test statistic will be 1 into P of summation xi greater than C plus gamma into P of summation xi equal to C plus that is 0. No, this becomes 0. So you just remain at 0. This is equal to your size. What is your size? Size is basically your alpha. That is level of significance. Okay. So you just put alpha. Okay. Now we have to calculate the value of C. Right. We need to know what the C is. So then only we can say. Now, if I say in the previous example, when I said you reject if C is equal to 3, you say summation xi greater than 3, you reject no. But how did I know it is C? So we have to do some mathematical, some derivation to figure out what the C is, right? So basically the derivation for that is, so we know this one. This final full derivation, if you do, okay, for example, this is summation greater than C, what you do basically is, what you do is P of summation xi 1 minus P of summation xi less than C plus gamma into P of summation xi equal to C equals alpha. Then what you do, you take these two terms. You take these two terms, you put it to this side. And you take this alpha and you put it here. So you get 1 minus alpha equals, sorry, 1 second. 1 minus alpha equals, wait. P of summation xi is equal to C minus gamma into P of summation xi equal to C equals 1 minus alpha. Correct? Till here you guys understood?
This one the Nixon part, no?
Hmm?
Nixon we had this,
Yes,
no?
bro. Same thing, bro. Midsum only we are doing in practical. That's all.
Okay.
Okay. So what? This is P of summation xi less than C plus P of summation what is it xi equal to C minus gamma into P of summation xi equal to C equals 1 minus alpha. Here is there no, here I'm splitting this into this and this, these two terms. Okay, understood?
Okay, you're just putting inequality there,
Yeah,
no?
splitting inequality. And now what I'll do, I'll take this one, this common between these two terms. So I'll get P of summation xi less than c plus 1 minus gamma into p of summation xi equals c. Correct? Correct? Equals 1 minus alpha. Till here, you guys understood?
Yes, boss.
Okay. You have to remember here. You have to always get PA summation xi less than c. Why? I'll explain when you solve the problem. So when you come to this stage, what do you say? We know what our alpha value is. In the question it says alpha equals alpha 0 point, what did I say, 1, no? 0.01. So naturally 1 minus alpha will be 0.99. So your P of and okay. So we know x follows binomial with 1 comma p. Correct? So what is summation I equals 1 to n of xi? This will follow what? Binomial only with n sum. So will become this is Bernoulli. Sorry, this is Bernoulli. This will become binomial with n comma p. No. So what I say, I'll say y equals summation xi, which follows binomial of n comma p. Understood? It is easier to write y every
Why
time
are
instead
you
of
taking it
summation,
to n comma p? Why can't I just do 1 comma p?
because I'll explain. Okay, because when you're calculating the size table, when you're finding the value for c, you can actually keep it as summation xi only. Okay, you don't have to write. Okay, you know what?
So,
Uh,
bro, just because summation is that you're taking your binomial n comma p,
Yeah,
because you know,
because each individual is X. No, this is Bernoulli, this is
hmm,
Bernoulli, this is Bernoulli. If you add up all Bernoulli terms, that will become binomial only. No.
it'll be n into xi something.
Ha. What is Bernoulli ka formula? 1c, was it P power x,
P to the
Q
power
power
x,
1
q to the
minus x.
power n minus x,
What is Bernoulli? NCx, P power x, Q power n minus
q
x.
power n minus x.
The only difference is you are summing all the binomials. Right. Aste. If you have 1 and 0, it's Bernoulli. Okay. You basically get my point. The summation of all binomial terms is summation of Bernoulli terms is a binomial distribution. Okay. Uh, then what you do? You substitute the value. So you get P of summation xi less than c plus 1 minus gamma P of summation xi equals c equals 0.99. Right. Uh, huh. Now is where I wouldn't say tricky part. It's easy only. You draw the table. Okay. Table. You write your summation xi values, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. P of summation xi equals c. P of xi is less than or equal to c. Okay. Basically, you are finding out for the random variable 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the probability? Okay. Now, what is this formula? This is, what's it? Mm, let's see, x p power x, q power 1 minus x. No. But again, x follows binomial, so it'll become p of 1 comma p. This is summation xi, no? So this will naturally follow b of n comma p. It will be binomial. So your probability distribute. That's why you write what's it? You write let y equals summation xi follow binomial with
Bro,
n comma p.
that xi minus c, that up part, this little explain now. I got lost.
Where here
Yeah, this last three
this
lines.
one,
Yeah.
these three, yeah.
Yeah.
Till here you understood till this time.
Yeah, I understood.
What I'm doing, this is there, no? This sorry, this summation x less than or equal to c. Now what I'm doing, I'm splitting it. I'm putting p of summation xi less than c plus p of summation xi equal to c, and this remains that only. Okay, I'm not changing it. Till here you understood? Hello.
Huh.
Then what I do, I take here p of summation xi equal to is common. No, So you just take that as common. If you take it as common, what you'll get? You'll get 1 minus gamma into pure summation xi. Correct? That's what I've written. Ashte.
Okay.
You didn't understand why you took common. Huh?
Yeah, what is the point? Like, why did you? Oh, wait, you know what? I got it. I'm
Got
thinking.
it? Because I want gamma separately. No. Understood.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, and it's easier for calculation also. Okay. So now what you do, you take let y equals summation xi and let that follow binomial of n comma p. Okay. You, did you guys understand why it follows binomial?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, just write it because it's easier to calculate. Okay, see here, instead of writing y, you'll get confused also. But if I write y, p of y, y, what will this formula be? It will be ncx p power x q power n minus x. No, and they've already given what is n is sample size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Correct. Sample size is 12 only. No. So you use that formula and you calculate what is this one. You will get 12C0. We know this P is there. No, this P is from H naught. So H naught P equals what did we say? 0.32. So 0.32 to the power 0, 0.68 to the power 12 minus 0 is 12. We'll get some probability value, which is 0. What is the probability value? 0.0098. Okay. You guys understood how to write the table and get probability value? Any doubt?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, like that you have to keep on doing 0.0552. Now, how to know where to stop? Simple. Here in
I know,
this
I know, I know. You should stop at 0.98 or
99, when p
999.
of summation xi is less than
Or
c
closest value, no?
0.99. This is the condition. Because when you add two of this item, two of these terms in an equation, you get 0.99. That means this is less than 0.9. This is less than 0.99. No,
So
getting my
basically,
point.
it's the closest value, bro.
Yeah, yeah. Closest
Okay.
value. Here, for
Uh,
example, wait, let me. If you can check out the record. In the record, I think if you look at your this is your cumulative frequency. Cumulative. You basically add this 0.098. This is 0.098 only you'll get. But here
okay.
you'll get
So the cumulative
0.009.
has to be close,
Yeah,
bro. The cumulative has to be close.
yeah. The cumulative it has to be close because if I say probability of x less than 8, what does that mean? It means probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 dot 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 probability of x equal to 8. Correct.
Okay. Understand.
That you understood. So that is why it has to be cumulative. So here in one value, I think you'll get 0.9972 in 8, and this will get 0.9856. But we want our P of y less than C to be less than 0.99. So naturally our C will be 7. Why is C 8 here? C should be 7, no? Hmm. It should be 7. Chitty, your record, it's wrong. Because if you look at probability of y less than, oh wait, it's 8 only. Probability of y less than 8. Because what is probability of y less than 8? It is P of y equals 0 plus dot 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 P of y equals 7. No. Only if it is probability of y less than or equal to 8, it means it includes 8. Correct. It doesn't say at least 8. It says less than 8. No. So naturally 8 is not
Yeah,
included.
yeah.
So this value is the cumulative frequency till P of y less than 8 only. Correct.
Mhm.
So naturally C equals 8. Now you got your C value. One second. So you have to do all that stuff. Okay. Basically, you just need to find out this value and 0.0116 and 0.0395. But you have to write the whole table. You have to fill in like the whole table values. Okay. Now, C equals 8. Probability of, okay, that you don't need. Now go back to here, this test function that we wrote, we defined here. You have to write the test function again. What is, which is phi of x equals 1 if summation xi greater than 8, gamma if summation xi equal to 8, 0 if summation xi is less than 8. Correct? What they have said? They said compute power of the test. No. And you have to find the value of gamma. Even if they say no. To find value of gamma, this equation is there. No. You have to use this equation basically. So you have to write, what will you write? You will write P of y less than c, or P of summation xi 8 less than c, whatever. Both are the same thing. No. Less than 8 plus 1 minus gamma into P of summation xi equal to 8 equals 0.99. We know this value. This value is this. We know this value is also this only. Is that true? One second. Mm, hmm. See, oh yeah, it's wrong. That's what I was wondering. It's not 8, it's 7. Oh yeah, wait. It is 8. It is 8. Sorry. It is 8. Okay. So this value, P of summation. Okay, you know what? I think if I write it in green, it'll make much more sense. Okay. So we know P of summation xi equal to 8 is basically this value. P of summation xi less than 8 is not this value, it's this value.
Bro, will C be 9?
No, it's what is the condition? The condition is that P of y less
It's
than
P
c.
y less than C is less than 0.99. No.
Hmm, hmm.
So it is, if it is less than 9 only, it is 0.9. If it is at 8, it will become 7 no then.
It's
Like,
9. It's 9972. No.
997 is greater than 99, no, bro.
Wait, 1 second.
no,
Oh, it should
like,
be 7. Oh yeah. Wait, what is P of y less than?
no. Won't
Oh
P
yeah.
of,
Hmm.
won't it be 9?
No, I get your question. I get your point. If you're saying if it's 9, then this will be 0.998 something. Correct. Assume. Huh.
Hmm.
So then this will be, this value is, consider this to 9. That value is P of y less than or equal to 9. Correct? That you agree?
Huh.
Now what is P of y less than 9? It will not include this value at all. Correct? It will only stop the addition till here. So if it stops the addition till here, you still get 0.9972, no, which is greater than 0.99.
Okay. No, that's not the. Wait 1 second. But see, like, if you write P, if it is y less than 8,
Hmm.
so isn't that 7?
It's
No,
not
no,
equal
as
to
in,
7. Hmm.
no, as in, like, won't, if it is anything less than 8, won't it be 9 8? Like, it's suppose it's like 9856.
If it is less than 8, 9856. I didn't get it. What?
If it is y less than or equal to C, that means it is 0.99, it will come no. You know what? I am so confused. You already teach, I'll try to understand.
No, like I don't understand your doubt. That's my question. You know,
I also don't
okay.
understand my
What is
like
what is probability of x less than 3?
0 1 2.
0, 1, 2, no. What if I write x less than or equal to 3? 0, 1, 2, 3, no.
Huh.
So here you want to find a value of y which is less than c. That should be less than 0.99. Correct. So what is, so if I say p of x equal to what's that, x less than 3 is 0, 1, 2, then naturally p of x less than or equal to 2 will also be 0, 1, 2. No, both of these are same. Correct.
Oh, right.
So what will this
Got
be? This
it.
will be p of y less than or equal to 1 minus c. Sorry, c minus 1.
Okay,
Less
I
than
got it. I got it.
0.9. We got it.
Yes.
Huh? So here you have to look a value that is less than 0.99. Here if you see, this is p of y is less than 8. P of y is less than 9. Because why? Here you say this is P of y less than 1. No, you don't say P of y less than 0 in the starting. You cannot try to say. If you didn't understand this, it's fine.
No, I got it, I got it, I
You
got
got
it.
it? No, because we say P of y less than 1 is 0 only. No, here it will
I
be
got it.
0 plus 1, 7. Manoj, you understood?
I understood, bro.
Okay. So now you rewrite your
But
test
that's
function.
the topper, bro. What will he not understand?
Bro, bro, please come at my house, okay? I can't talk.
Okay, continue, continue.
Okay. So here P of summation xi less than 8. What it means? It means P of summation xi 8 is this only. No, P of y less than 8. Correct. So you write that value here. That's why I marked it in green. Okay. Hello.
Huh.
Okay. Now what is what is P of summation xi equal to 8? That will be here. No, P of summation xi or P of some y equal to 8. Y and summation xi are the same thing, guys. Don't get confused. Right. So you just put that. Then if you do your math, this one, you will get, which is 0.9856 plus 1 minus gamma into 0.0116 equals 0.8. You solve for gamma, you will get gamma's final answer. 6.07. Again, write the test function. Technically, you don't, for marks, you have to write. Okay. So write phi of
How
x.
would you 0.98 there, bro?
Where, bro? Sorry,
On
sorry,
the right
9,
hand
9.
side, 0.99, no?
Yes. Thanks, Manoj. This is mine 9. If you solve, you'll get some value. This is 0.6207. Okay. Again, write a test function. 1 if summation xi is greater than 8. 0.6207 if summation xi equal to 8. 0 if summation xi less than 8. Now they say find I don't think they said find power of the test. No. They said compute power of the test also. Now power of the test is the same thing. You remember how I said size condition. The same thing is power condition. But what you have to do, you have to multiply this with the probability of this with the probability of this, and this with the probability of this. Okay. But what you do, instead of using the p value from h naught, you use p value of h1. Okay, that's the only difference. So you write uh, expectation of phi of x under h1 equals probability of summation xi greater than 8 under h1 plus probability of sorry, not plus 0.6207 into probability of summation xi equal to 8 under h1. Basically what you'll get, there's one formula, no, ncx p power x q power n minus x. Here p and q value will change. Okay, you guys understood?
So now it will be 0.85 and
Ah,
0.15.
exactly. And then you'll get one final answer. Here,
0.68 is there here. 0.68 meaning
Repeat
0.32
this
only.
part again.
hmm?
Be
Tell this
0.32
part
only,
again.
no?
Yeah, bro. Manoj, correct. H1, whatever it is there. Where is it?
Uh,
H1. Here it is there. No, 0.68. No. So here your P will be uh, 0.68. Q will be 0.32. Okay. Similarly, here you have to continue the equation. Okay. Chiti, what doubt you had?
Explain this part again.
This part, power of tester.
Ah,
Nothing. You remember how I told you have to multiply this into this to find the size? No. That and all you understood. No.
ah.
Say yes or no. I'll teach again.
Understood, bro.
Okay. Same thing you have to do again. But here you already know the values of this. You don't need to equate it to something. Okay. Just write 1 into P of summation xi greater than 8 plus 0.267 into P of summation xi equal to 8. Okay. But here, when you're calculating the probability value, you have to use this formula. No. This is the binomial formula. Correct?
Hmm.
Ah,
Hmm.
but instead of using your P naught copy, H1 H naught copy
Hmm.
0.32, you use H1 copy. 0.68.
Why?
That is the whole point of power of the test.
Okay, fine.
Okay, and then Q also will be 1 minus P, and you have to get one final answer. Ashte.
Okay.
This is
So this
power.
we're getting this power of test, that formula we're getting by the answer. That is P of xi greater than 8 plus
Hmm.
Bro, then
0.68.
again you have to draw. Again, you have to like draw the table and
No, no,
do
no,
for.
no, 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 no. Whatever, all you have to do is just substitute P and Q as 0.6 and 0.32. Don't
Okay.
find the C
Then
value again.
then actually you know how to compute this thing.
Which one?
Summation xi greater than it.
Oh, this is sorry. This is less than 8, no? Oh, yeah. Simple. How do you calculate summation x greater than 8? Wait. You have to use this one, negation, no? 1 minus P of, I'll, okay, here summation xi equal to y. That you understand, no, Manoj?
That one I understood.
Okay, so y, what will be y less than or equal to 8? H1 plus 0.6207 P of y equal to 8 under H1. Ashte. You know what is this value? You have to put in calculate, you have to calculate the value. That is 0
Uh,
plus 1 plus 2 dot 8.
So
That
let's say
is
you have to find P of y is equal to 1 plus P of y is equal to 2 plus 3 plus
0,
4 plus 5 is
everything.
equal to 8.
Yeah,
You have to find all of them.
yes. In science, in calculator you can do. Jenica will teach you tomorrow. Okay, directly you can do. Okay, you have to.
identify,
Then you will get one final answer. Understood?
Okay.
that is power of test.
Power of test. Now, I think they've also test to check the, what is it? Construct MP test. What is decision if your sample is 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. So what is the summation xi here? It will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Right. What is our test condition? What is our test function?
Summation xi there is
8. No. If it's less than, if it's
8,
greater
yeah.
than 8, if it's greater than 8, we reject H naught. Right. So here it is equal to 9. So therefore, summation xi is greater than 8. Therefore, we reject H naught. What is H naught? Initially we stated no, in the problem they only given P naught equals 3.2, P1 equals P equals 0.6. Understood?
Why we rejecting it's not?
Because that's the test condition, test function. No, phi of x equals 1. I explained no, 1 is to reject H naught,
Ha,
0
ha,
is
ha.
to do not reject H naught.
Oh, we have to write it after every single question. If
No,
8
for
is
if they give, don't write this and all. This you have to write. This you don't have to write.
no. When do you have to tell that you have to reject H naught?
So in the, if you look at the first question, they've given you a sample and they tell test anta. Correct.
Okay.
All the three questions they haven't told anything. So don't have to test. You just have to sit and find power of test. Stay. Wait,
Okay. So if sample n is here 9 and because the C is 8, we're rejecting it.
yeah. This because the sum of all that values is 9. No. But what did we say? We say we found our C value to be 8. Correct.
Huh.
Which is greater than 9. So you reject.
Okay.
If it was, if we got, if the sum of those values are 7, what would it have been? It would have been this, no, P of summation xi is less than C. So you do not reject H naught. Understood?
Okay. Got it.
Manoj, you understood, bro?
Yeah, bro.
Okay. Then I'll do another question. This I'll do third question.
Are all the questions the exact same or there's a difference?
Yeah, only difference will be in your this one size function. See, in this question, your size function is P of summation xi less than C plus gamma 1 minus gamma here. Okay. Why? Because initially we stated a summation x greater than. Go to Manoj's pictures. Fifth picture he has given now. Bernoulli binomial distribution. I'll write it off. I'll write 1 second. Don't go. I'll write it off. Here, if phi of x equals 1, if summation xi greater than C gamma if summation xi equal to C 0 if summation xi less than C, then your size function will be P of y by summation xi, same thing, less than C plus 1 minus gamma into P of y equal to c equals 1 minus alpha. Correct?
Hmm.
This you guys understood, no?
Hmm.
Now, if phi of x equals 1, if summation xi is less than c. When will summation xi be less than c? When in the question, your h1, h1 ka p is greater than sorry, yeah,
Less than.
yeah, correct. H not, so h naught ka p is greater than h1 ka p. Naturally, this will be less than no. So
Okay.
gamma if summation xi equal to c, 0 summation xi greater than c. Right. So now what your size condition will be, directly you can write summation xi less than c. Why? Because Manoj, you asked me a question here. No, how do you calculate summation xi greater than some value? It is impossible to calculate. It's like very
Uh,
difficult to calculate. So that is why here in our test function we always keep it as less than c. Okay. So we try to get it as less than c. Here you don't have to do any multiple like manipulation like what we did here. Here I put this, all this stuff is there. No, I did all that just so I can write it as less than c here. Here directly it is already less than c. So p of y less than c plus gamma into p of y less than c equals alpha. Understood? This is the only change.
Is
Any doubts?
isn't it the first one? Isn't it y greater than c? Or
Where?
did you change
Huh.
something?
So here it's y greater than c only. No, that's what I started off with. I said p of y greater than c.
No, no, down, down.
Where?
Okay, okay, fine. Leave. No, go full down. On this left side,
Hmm. This
it's
side.
xi greater than c, right? Huh?
Yeah.
So why you written y less than c?
Because when I did all my calculation here, that's the equation I got.
After
No,
huh.
I just wrote final answer.
Okay, okay, okay.
This is what I got. No, here see.
Mm-hmm.
That final
Okay,
answer
got
I
it.
wrote.
Hmm.
Okay, that this just remove mug up, because even if you go wrong in the derivation, this if you write
Hmm.
final, they'll give you marks. Okay, mug up these both for each individual case. Here, when uh, h h naught less than h1, this is when h naught greater than h1. I write in red ink.
Okay.
H naught h1 h naught greater than h1. Okay, understood.
Hmm.
You want me to do third question? Wait.
You said same means don't need to do. If
It's
it's
same
only if
thing. Only thing that will differ is that they've given that the sample follows binomial, x follows binomial of 2 comma p. No, and your sample size is construct. What is the final decision? And your sample is only 8 because there's an x1 dot dot x till x8. So
hmm.
here, when you come again, the test function will be phi of x equals. Okay, first write what is your hypothesis. That is h naught is p is 0.43, h1 is p is 0.85. So what will be your test function? The test function will be phi of x. What have you sent? Oh, you just took screenshot. Okay.
What?
Uh,
Oh, wait.
what?
The table only you have to always do it binomial only, right? You have to always use NCX only, no?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay.
That is what this question I'll explain. Wait. So here
Hmm.
it is 1 if summation xi greater than c. Here, yeah, because this is greater than this, no. So it's summation xi greater than c, gamma if summation xi equal to c, 0 if summation xi less than c. Okay, but here, if I define y equals summation xi follows y of not 2 comma p, 2 into 8, 16 comma p. Why? Because here our sample size n is 8, no. Hello, you guys understood? Should I explain?
Understood.
Understood? No. Manoj, you understood?
yeah, bro.
So this will be m into n. So m into n comma p. And when you're doing your table, y, p of y equal to y, p of y less than y, what do you have to do? You have to write mncx p power or mncy p power y q power mn minus y. That is 16. Here also it will be 16. Hence, that will be the only difference. If they give Bernoulli, if they give binomial, okay, if you just multiply,
So
that will be
here,
the simple.
if the, only because I've written b is 2, comma p, you're using two different n values.
It's not two different way. You multiply. Ashte. This is m comma p.
Okay.
Okay. This is.
It should
Then,
just do
bro,
so m
size
comma n is
condition
8
can you do
into
once?
beta.
Wait, 1 second. What?
For the
1%
size
second.
condition can you do once?
This is only size
For the
condition.
other.
No.
No, brother, I think you see in that we have 1 minus gamma, no?
Huh?
இங்க வந்து it's only gamma is given in the record. Oh no, wait, it's right,
It's correct only.
Oh yeah.
It's see, I think
So
she's
wait,
copied
m
it. Yeah.
into n will be 8 into 8 only.
8 into 2, bro. This is
Oh
m. This
yeah.
is n. No.
Oh, fine, fine.
Understood? So m into n equals 60. Okay. That's the only change. All others are same. You have to find again. First find your c value. Then find your wait. First find your c value. Then find your gamma value. Ashte. And then find your power of the test, which is expectation of phi of x under h1. Any doubts?
Fine. Illa.
Ilva, you guys know how to do it.
For
Manoj, any
experiment done.
doubts?
Actually, no, bro.
Okay.
I'm able to understand something.
Okay, then fine. Now this experiment done. Next experiment I'll teach now.
So in that something UM panel is given. What is the unit of most powerful, and then what is that
Yeah,
likelihood
I'll
ratio?
teach. Yeah. I'll teach. Don't worry. Okay.
Is it
So
difficult?
no, bro. Wait.
No, no.
So you
Illa.
saw
Right.
the huh? Hey, both of you, one person speak at a time, bro. Okay. Then 1 second, guys. Okay. So here basically, I think what and all they've given is that
Why? Why are there so many questions? Okay. Is this easy or difficult?
yeah. So okay, no option, bro. You have to sit and do it. Ein, eins, und where is this? Yes, it is here. Okay, give me 1 second, guys. I shall save these images because it is distorted. Not distorted. It is disoriented, just like my life. Save as. Okay, give me 1 more second. Okay, so basically, if they tell to, I think, they haven't tell to compare between two mu's, not only to compare between Huh. Okay. So if you look at the first question, let me just confirm once more. They haven't told to do anything else. Fine. It's how I said you'll have like a different H naught and H1, same thing like that only. Here they say, look at your first question. Okay, it is H naught is mu equals 80, H1 is mu equals what is it, 82. So here H1 is greater than H naught. So what your test function here changes. So test function is phi of x equals 1 if x bar is greater than mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n. Okay, and 0 if x bar is less than or equal to mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n. Okay, I don't think there is any question where it is. And in all the questions, I think sigma will be given. Okay, sigma will be given. You'll also know what is sample size and you'll also know what is a mu. Mu is basically this mu from H naught. Okay, you just have to calculate what is your x bar. Stay. So go to the first question. First question is that only, no? You've written your
Yeah,
test
what is the
function.
difference between MP test and MPT test?
That's only for you.
MP test and MP test and MPT are the same thing. What are you asking?
Then why are they?
Bro, most powerful test is UMP, I guess.
UMP you're asking. Uniformly most the difference lies in the inequality. If your H naught is mu less than and mu greater than, it is UMP test. Okay, but if your H naught is mu equal to something, H1 is mu less than something, this is your LRT. T and your MP. MP is basically when you're texting against two equalities. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think this is equal to or not equal to. Huh. And if it's either equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, this is your MP, UMP. Okay. Only when you have not equal to in your H1, it is called an LRT test. You don't have to know the terminology. You just need to know how to define your H naught and how to write your test function. Got it?
Okay.
Okay.
But so here, why is the
Bro.
MP test thing different here?
What do you mean different?
Like x bar is greater than mu plus z alpha by root
Because
sigma
we're
by.
testing for normal distribution. No, we're not testing for this one, binomial. In
Oh,
midsem, you remember we derived this whole derivation.
yeah.
Hmm.
That same thing we are doing. For normal, it's different.
For that, if you
Fine.
remember what we did there, bro. Last minute
Exactly.
we fucked up.
Chuma mug up, bro. That's all. Can't do anything. You just mug up this
Uh,
formula. This formula, if you mug up, it's enough, bro.
bro, one more thing. You're saving all these slides as pictures.
It's there, bro. This whole thing is there, like on Samsung Notes only, bro. I'll send PDF.
Share it off, bro.
Okay. After I finish, I'll send.
Uh,
Okay. Ha. So, so you've defined what is your this one. They only given mu equals 82, mu equals this one. So now what you do, you first frame your test function. So C is in this. Ha. So you have to find what is your x bar. No. How is it sigma by? Ha. Okay. So you have to find your this. So it is mu. We know what is mu. Mu is basically 80. So 80 plus z alpha. Here, what is alpha? Level of significance is 1%, 0.01. So you have to find z is 0.01. Now in table, if you go 0.01, you will say what is the value here? 2.32. Okay. 2.32 into sigma, which is 3 by uh, mean mu. What is n? They give it 20. Sample size is 20.
20 or 1620, bro.
No, that is sample total. That is summation xi.
Okay.
Okay, don't get confused. In first question, only it's written random sample of size 20. N is 20. Okay.
Oh, I actually didn't see that. I thought the 1620 will be the thing. Okay, fine.
No, 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 it's fine. Okay, so this I think 18.56. So again, rewrite your test function. 1 if x bar is greater than 16.5, sorry, 81.56. 0 if x bar is less than equal to 81.56. Now they said, what is your decision if your sample total is 1680? So summation xi is 1680. You know what is your n? N is 20. What is x bar? X bar equals summation xi by n, no? 1680 by 20, which is what?
It's 84.
80,
81.
81, right?
Oh, 80, 81, 80.
Hmm? So, so which is 81 is, so 81 is basically less than 81.56, correct? Which means you should not reject H naught, correct? Look at your test function here. I have said if x bar is less than or equal to 81.56, I do not reject H naught. This is 81 is less than or equal to 81.56. So I do not reject H naught. Understood? Any doubts?
Here there's no y equal to y bar,
No,
y
no,
or
that's
y.
not better. That is only for binomial and Bernoulli.
So here, if you just write the test function, you just figure out what the unknown element is.
Exactly. You have to first figure out what is the, if they say x bar, you have to find out what x bar is, and you have to find all these values. These values are usually given.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Bro, this MP, UMP, not they'll only tell this one to do.
Which one?
Like in this question, they'll only mention no which test we have to do, like MP or UMP or
Hey, that and
LR.
all you don't need, bro. I'll tell. Wait. That and all you don't need to know which test you're doing. You just have to know what is your hypothesis. In the, you remember the pictures I've sent? In that I've written clearly. I've written. Go to the
Okay, okay.
pictures. Wait, let me. Do
Uh,
you want me to write it down? It'll be easier for you guys, right?
yeah, actually, bro.
Okay. Wait.
Yes.
So I've written. So let's just go to new page. Ah, so if what is it? If h not greater than h1, what do I write? I write phi of x equals 1 if x bar is greater than, or you know what? I think if you write it in this terms, it makes sense. Mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n, 0 if x bar less than equal to mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n. If h1 less than h naught, if, okay, left, right, little left, phi of x equals x bar, oh sorry, 1 if x bar less than mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n, 0 if x bar greater than equal to mu plus z alpha into sigma by root n. This you guys understood. First you have to determine this. Is your h1 greater than h naught or h1 less than h naught? And based on that you have your test function. Okay, you can calculate the value of, they would have given the value of this, they've given the value of this, they would have given the value of this. This one you have to calculate using table, z table. Okay, and you have
This
to,
is empty only, no?
yeah, this is MPT only. Okay, now I think to find the power of the test. So after you found, so in this previous question, it is p of, this is the test function, no. So to find power, what do? You put expectation of uh, phi of x under h1 equals 1 into probability of x greater than p of x bar greater than 81.56. Okay, why this you guys understood why we're using this Santa?
Yes.
Okay. Now what you do? It's difficult to calculate using this one. What is it? Normal. Andre. Okay. Basically, what you do? This is normal. No, we know this follows normal. So what do you convert it to standard normal? How do you convert to standard normal? P of x bar minus mu by sigma by root n. Here, this mu will be from h1 ka mu. Okay, is greater than 81.56 minus mu by sigma by root n. Again, this mu will be from h1. Okay, why? Simple. This will then become probability of z greater than some constant k. No, if you simplify this whole thing, you'll get some constant k. Correct?
0.66.
Um,
Something you're getting.
oh,
No.
bro. Okay, okay. X bar meaning this now in place of this X bar, you've written of the standard normal variable.
Yeah, exactly. I just converted this whole thing to a standard normal variate. Okay.
Okay.
And now you have to go to Z table. In Z table, hey, what is this k you said? 0.66.
0.66.
So Z
Then
greater
change
than.
it here as 1 minus P of Z less than or equal to 0.66.
Exactly.
What is 0.6? How do you get 0.66?
Here I said no, bro. Here 81.56 minus mu. Mu of h1. What is mu of h1? 82.
82.
If you do that, if you substitute sigma value, substitute n value, you will get 0.6.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Now see, of the part, so wait. You have to solve. I have to solve the right hand side, the right hand part of the inequality. No.
Yeah, bro, because see, here I am subtracting mu and I am dividing by sigma by root n. Here also I should do the same thing. No, inequality.
Correct. Now to just substitute and after solving 81 minus 5, 81.56 and all, you'll get 0.06.
0.66.
0.6.
Ah.
Uh,
Then you can do
But
this.
P of Z less than 0.66 is only the table value is 0.6 is that only, na?
Both are the same. What? P of?
P of Z less than or equal to 0.66.
Hmm.
Does that mean you have to just find the table value ashte?
Yeah, I have to find table value of this. Ashtal. This you guys know how to find table value.
bro, 1 minus P of this thing, Z table में whatever value you get for 0.66, that's all. That's applied to that.
Exactly. Oshte.
Oh, then, okay, just because the
But that
greater
less,
than or equal
What?
HT of.
if it's less than and equal to, that doesn't make any role.
No, bro. See, what I have not understood. Basically, what you're doing, no, you're going to the Z table. You're going to find 0.6 and here it will be 0.06. Correct? You'll get some value.
Oh, if
Wait,
not
let
find
me
inside, you
explain.
should not find
No, no,
in
no, no, no,
written.
no. Because Z ka I have written no. I'm not telling Z 0.05. That
Okay,
means I have to
okay,
go
okay.
inside the table find 0.05. Here I'm directly telling use the side columns. Okay. Now
Okay,
this
okay, okay,
That's
okay.
what.
this
Wonderful.
this value what you get, you know what will be? I'll draw the normal curve. This is normal curve. Let assume 0.66 is here. This value, table tells value from left to right. So it will be the value from here. You need the value of here. So what you do, you subtract 1. So 1 minus whatever value you get here. That will give you a final answer. Understood?
That's what. But
Okay,
it's
you're
written
not.
less than or equal to 0.66. No, that less than or equal to value, that sign does not make any difference. Is what I'm trying to ask.
No, 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 no.
Okay, fine.
So in the
That
previous experiment,
P of 0 point z less than 0.66 is only this value. Understood?
What? Mm-hmm.
Because the
Got it.
table gives from left to right. No, it adds the value from minus infinity to infinity. Understood? Why you're doing all this? Manoj, you understood, bro?
Yeah, yeah, got it, got it.
bro, actually, now the thing is, in the previous experiment,
Hmm.
in the central இருக்கிறதுல we found out alpha value and then corresponding column values we wrote. Okay.
Hmm.
Now in this part, you're just this thing
Here, see here,
column பார்த்து
இங்க ஆல்பா நம்ம யூஸ்
column
பண்றோம்ல
ஓகே அதான் அதான்
இந்த z ஆல்பால பாரு
ஆ
we are saying z alpha only no இங்க ஆல்பா தானே யூஸ் பண்றோம் நீ z ஆல்பா வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் இப்ப ஆல்பா இங்க 0.01 இருக்கு so what you do you go to the table in the table you will find if you keep on looking you will get
your voice is breaking before. Your voice is breaking before.
So now,
Now it's fine. Now it's fine.
okay,
I wasn't able to hear anything.
okay. So இங்க 0.01 கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அந்த டேபிள்குள்ள. அங்க கண்டுபிடிச்சினா you'll get 2.3 0.0. இதுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா கரெக்டா வரும் உனக்கு இந்த டேபிள்
Okay.
டேபிள்குள்ள இந்த மாதிரியே கண்டுபிடிச்சினா 2.32 2.32ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 0.01 வரும். புரியுதா?
Okay.
That is your Z alpha value இங்க.
So you're doing the exact reverse in the power condition.
Power condition. Because power condition they're not telling to find, because here you're trying to find a Z value that is less than some Z value which will give you the probability less than 0.101 la, which is equal to the probability 0.01 la. Here
yeah.
they're just telling, they're giving you in the Z length kammi 8. Tell me the probability value. What is the probability value? Understood? We are doing the reverse.
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubts? Hello? Any more doubts, guys?
No, bro.
Chitti?
Teach of one LR and one UMP, bro.
This was, oh yeah, teach one LR and UMP, and then we go sleep.
Actually.
You'll actually sleep. Damn, I haven't even completed the program.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬ್ರೋ, ಇದು ಎರಡೇ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇರೋದು.
And bro,
UMP ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. I think that's only for variance. Nope, it's only for variance. I'll teach.
And bro.
Oh, it is
this
there.
test
It is there. It
goodness
is.
of it is that easy.
Yeah, bro, that also easy. That also I'll teach.
I mean, if you teach now, nothing will go. Like my head is completely stuck now. There's one thing if you teach only this now, bro. Tomorrow
Okay.
I'll study.
Okay, fine. Hey, wait, LRT you want? No. Go to
LRT.
Go to 7th problem.
7th problem. Okay.
What is 7th problem? 7th problem, H0 is mu is greater than 100. H1 is mu is not equal to 100. Correct? Correct. Here, you have to do the same thing. Sample size, Here, basically, test function remains the same. Only thing you use, here test function is defined like how you defined your H1 is greater than H0. Okay. Like that only you have to define a test function. But, what is it? Set calculate. Oh, wait. It does differ. Oh, yeah. It differs a little bit. 1 second.
Naughty.
What? You're psycho, bro.
I understood most of it. Let's go. I'll try to study.
Hey, it's the same thing, bro.
Bros, this is the first time we're looking at this and telling no. First, it's ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ new, so you have to listen and learn.
1 second. What is this crap? Give me 1 second, guys. Mu plus Z alpha into sigma by root 10. Oh, okay. So the 7th question. Hello?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so 7th question, what is different is that 7th question, what is different is that n is equal to 10, which is n is less than 30. Correct? And I don't think so they've given your population variance also is not given. Correct?
Don't tell me how to use that this thing.
Z.
What is that? This thing you should use F, no?
No, don't need that and all. You just have to, you have to use, you have to use Z. Correct. You have to use S.
Bro, you know what?
Wait, bro, wait. S you can get in calculator, bro. You don't have to sit and manipulate
that one I can understand.
In calculator can do. Okay. So 7th one, your test function is defined on based on T. T1 if T calculated. Excuse me. Calculated. Modulus of T calculated is greater than T alpha by 2, which is stable. Modulus of T alpha by 2. 0 if modulus of T calculated is less than or equal to modulus of T alpha by 2. Okay. Why alpha by 2? Because there's a inequality sign. Is there not equal to sign? Okay. Understand?
Yes.
Okay,
But
this
it's
you have to.
saying equal
Hmm.
and not equal. Why are we writing more than and less than? Why can't it be less than and then more than?
How? Because oh yeah. So this that is only see the decision rule when it was for less than you have to based on inequality. No, but here there is no inequality as such. There is no less than or greater than. So this remains standard. When you have not equal to, this is the test function that remains standard. Okay, not cleared.
Got it.
Okay, so now your t calculated you have to sit and find what is the t calculated. T calculated equals x bar minus mu naught or mu whatever you want to write by s by root n. Now in the seventh question they've given you a how many 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Oh, 8 only, yeah. So we know this is 8 minus 100 by wait, okay. Hmm? You have all these values, no? 68, 70, 71, blah blah blah, blah till 100 you have. Oh, sorry, wrong question. You have 6 oh correct, that only, no? 10 boys.
I don't know, 100, yeah.
This is 10,
It's
not
for
8.
10.
Huh. So you have to first find x bar value. X bar value of all those values. That is 68, 70, 120. Okay. You'll get one x bar value which is 91.93.1. In calculator you can put. Okay. You don't have to sit and manually do. Okay. Here again, you have to find s value in calculator. You'll get 16.2169. Till here you guys understood.
Yes.
Basically, these values will be given to you. And these values you have to calculate. Okay. Then you get t calculated equals how much? Minus 1.3455. Put modulus. T calculated equals 1.3455. What is your modulus of T alpha by 2 value? If you check, it will be 2.821. Right. So clearly, T calculated mod less than T alpha by 2. So you do not reject H not. Understand?
Yes.
Manoj, any doubts?
No, bro.
This is all LRTs, bro. Second problem also same thing. Not second problem. Second problem is similar based on that fact that n is less than 30. No, so naturally you have to use t again. Okay. Even the ninth problem also, n is again less than 30, so again you have to use t. Hmm? Any
This
doubt?
is UMP or LRT test?
Bro, you don't have to know. I'm telling no. Look at your hypothesis. Okay.
No, no,
If
I understand. But like, which is it? This is UMP na LRT. I'm just to
which one is not equal to?
ah,
See,
it's LRT now.
not in your H1, if it says in your H1, if it says something, say here, not equal to A, it's LRT. Okay. In
Okay, okay.
H1, if it's mu, if it says less than or greater than equal to or blah blah blah, some value, it is UMP. Okay. If H1 it says mu is or is that equal to some value, then it is MP test. Understood?
Yes, yes.
Oh, it
Manoj?
all depends on the alternative hypothesis, sir.
Exactly, bro.
Yeah.
You don't have to know which test to use which. You just have to see how much is the if the n value is greater than 30 and if sigma is some value which given. If both
Given or
these are
not
there,
given, that's one, no?
if both of these there, if both of these are not there, both are also not there, they don't satisfy both these conditions, you use t
See,
distribution. If any one is there, if either this is there or this is there,
then it's going to know.
exactly, then this is z distribution. Okay.
Clear.
Any doubts, guys? You want me to explain other problems also?
I guess this
Done.
is enough. It is.
Everything is same only, no? Like
Yeah, just go through
it
all the
goes with.
problems. It's all same.
Okay.
Okay, after this, we will
Hey,
do the
let's go
experiment.
ahead. Let's do one.
Hmm?
We actually understood, bro.
Oh, okay, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
bro.
you.
Thank you, bro. You are the best, bro.
Thank you.
Okay, bro. Check भिजवा देना.
Yes. Who
Yeah,
are you
bro.
again?
For the 20 rupees, for the 20 rupees account I have.
Check will bounce. uh,
Hey, cool.
What's it? Okay.
Fine. Wah.
You guys want me to send last experiment? I will do. Teach tomorrow. I'll teach in.
Yeah,
Can go
teach
home. I'll
tomorrow
teach,
rest.
or I can come
You
home.
teach in class, you teach at home.
Teach
No worries,
in
bro.
class, bro. Like I think we'll have to, after with our exam, we'll get them at like 11, 12 till 1:50. We'll have time now to teach them.
That won't happen. That won't happen. I'm trying to tell
Chitti,
you. That
Chitti
Will
won't
also.
happen.
happen, ma.
This one, Jenica also has to teach something. I've told her. I don't know. She hasn't replied. Tomorrow we have to see, beg and ask her to teach.
In case if she's
Right.
teaching, what will she teach, bro?
Hmm?
In case if she's teaching,
Hmm.
what will she into?
I
Teaching
told her
the
teach the
8,
regression thing.
10.
Bro,
Yeah,
regression. I just
7,
saw the formulas, bro. My God,
Regression. Ah, that is formula is there. 7, 8,
no,
9.
these
Last
use
experiment.
formulas, bro. Yeah. 7 at 9. See, 7 at 9 is that goodness of it, you know.
Goodness of it, I'll teach. That is not that difficult. Okay.
Uh,
That is
and
simple.
then
Yeah. That I'll
and
teach.
then that
Last
independence
two
of aggregate.
experiments. Last two experiments, I don't know. Jenica has to teach.
Then that one we learn from her. Okay.
Hmm?
Sure, bro.
so you're telling 6, 7 is easy now, Manoj.
6 is easy. 7 is easy now. 6 is like completely formulas.
Okay. Fine.
And
If I finish
if you're
4
good
and
at
5, I'll try to study 6 and 5, 6, 7. What?
if you're good at mixing up formulas, please go for the sixth one. I'm telling you.
Fine. Fine. Yeah,
And
yeah, I'll
only the
mug up,
first.
no problem.
Fine, fine. We'll see how much when you have it.
Let's see. There are only 8 oh, there are 9. Bro, so much is there. I'll kill myself. Okay.
And bro,
Fine.
see, only
I'll study
coding is
4 and
just
5.
like 2, 3 experiments. That's all.
Yeah.
In
What?
this coding is just 2, 3. That's all.
Yeah.
Mm.
Only third experiment and eighth
Only,
experiment has code.
yeah, and that too, it's like this is the eighth experiment is like something that is like having a huge code or something.
Hmm. Yeah. Others all has
Other
no code.
than yeah,
Mm. Fine. Okay, I go take a break and study maths now.
Yeah, me
mm.
too.
Thank you, Abhijit. Go, boys. Go,
Okay.
bye,
Teach
people.
Or
teach
send
math.
recording later on. Okay,
Huh?
I'll teach you. You
send
call me.
recording
I'll
later
teach.
on.
Record? Oh,
I'll upload it.
Mm.
I'll upload in YouTube. I'll try to upload. I don't know how to
Um,
upload. I'll try to see how to upload.
fine, fine.
Okay,
okay,
fine. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
okay. Bye, bro. Thank you, bro.
Welcome, bro.